So peaceful. Too bad we're gonna have to change that. Alright, got this little remote control four-wheeler guy here. Hey man, do you want to get shot at today? Yeah, I didn't think so. But what was that? Big no. Let's get away. He's gonna try to get away is what my plan is here. I lost the controller, so what I did was I rigged it up inside. I had it hooked up to the switch, but the switch kept messing up and it wouldn't always stay on, so I just got some wires sticking out here. And I got the steering stuck in the most technological way possible. I stuck a crayon underneath the tie rods, so it's stuck on left turn. So he's gonna go full NASCAR. Never go full NASCAR. All right, let's get him on the ground. I'm gonna shoot at him. See how long, or how many he can take with my 22 GSGFIREFLY. So he don't want to do it. He's scared, but he'll be fine. I'm just gonna aim at the four-wheeler, not his head. You know. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Help me. Help me. Tough shit, buddy. Can you see him? Is that a good angle? Keep my ears on. Oh, got something. Oh, you gave up that easy? Probably hit the damn batteries or something. Oh, look at this. Looks like thought I hit him in the arm. Went in there, actually hit the gearbox where the motor is. I hit the damn motor. Man, that kind of ruins it. Well, let's blow his head off. He said, "Oh, please don't blow my head off, sir." Want me to blow your head off? No, I didn't think so. Say goodbye. I would move his arms, but they don't move. Oh. Well, where'd his head go? Looks like oh yeah, he took a couple body shots too. Yeah, got him in the kidney and the chest and the neck. See if we can put his head back on. Broke his spine. Oh look, got him in the face. Right there. See, that's why you always wear your helmet, kids. I think I got a couple shots left. Oh, that's it. Well, blew his head off. Put it back on. I was hoping it was going to be a lot better. Maybe I can find another motor and put it in there. I've got a bunch of them laying around from other stuff. But yeah, I can't believe I hit that damn gearbox. Or hit that motor. Look, took the wire right off of it. Wow. Now he's a bobblehead. Oh, not anymore. Alright. Well, that was fun and boring and lame. Oh, they're gonna bomb my house. Man, that plane's flying low as hell. Sounds like a big one. But see if I hit it anywhere else. Yeah, I hit the wheel. I think that's the one that blew it off the table. Hit that. Well, ooh, look, that actually bounced off his leg right there. So that's the one that hit the motor. Damn it. Oh well.